Hi, Monday, July 4th, 2016, Monaco 64 here, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. Yes, some big news just came out of the UK. Standard Life insurance company, one of the biggest insurance companies in the UK, has suspended trading in its UK property fund. And one thing I just realized as well, the WebBot report that came out a couple of days ago said that in its immediacy data, it talked about the insurance industry announcing bankruptcies. This is not a bankruptcy, but it's close to it. You know, suspending trading in a fund. The last time it happened, according to the story on BBC that came out 4 hours ago, was during the great financial crisis of 07 to 09 or 08, if you want to call it. And so that's, I guess, kind of a WebBot hit, I would say. And it's interesting that this has just come out. And my previous video was about how the Dow Gold Ratio is pointing to outperformance of hard assets over financial or paper assets. And you know, this is it here. I wonder if this is going to be, you know, like the trigger for the next crisis. And you know, I guess they can't come to you and say, we're going to suspend the, you know, you redeeming this, because it's a silver coin, so it's no one's liability. And I'm not saying I'm against owning property, but if you're going to do it, own it outright and don't own it through a fund. So I'll read a little bit more about this story from the BBC website. It says, Standard Life Investments has suspended trading in its UK property fund, blaming exceptional market circumstances following the EU referendum result, or Brexit. I said before Brexit, and I made a video about it, they're going to use it as a scapegoat for almost everything now. And it continues. The fund manager said the number of investors asking to withdraw their money had increased following the vote. The suspension, and I quote, the suspension was requested to protect the interests of all investors in the fund, it said in the statement. That's weird, isn't it? You trying to protect investors and you actually stop them from getting their money? Doesn't make sense, but that's what they say. It's you know, it's like the 1984, you know, you say what you say is actually opposite of what you mean. So it says the last time Standard Life stopped investors taking their money out of the fund was during the financial crisis of 08. And it continues, the £2.9 billion fund invests in a mixture of commercial real estate in the UK, including office blocks and industrial space. And it continues, the move comes after Standard Life Investments, the insurer's fund management arm, wrote down the value of the fund by 5% last week, saying the Brexit vote had negatively impacted valuations for UK commercial property. It said the suspension would end as soon as practicable, and it would review the decision every 28 days. I guess what that means is that for the next 28 days, you know, investors can't take their money out. I wonder what's going to happen to other funds of this nature. So very interesting news. We need to really be, you know, alert to all that's coming out. It seems like we're getting more and more stories like this, and I hope to be able to update you on you know, as soon as they come out. And hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's see what happens in the markets tomorrow. So please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.